What's going on, guys? It's Jimmy here. Welcome to our daily show where we discuss everything going on here in our country that you need to know about here on a daily basis. In this video, I want to talk about several different things here for you guys here, multiple different things. So, number one, we are going to be giving away some money here to our viewers. So first off, we're going to be giving away $1,000 here to our viewers here before the end of this month, starting here in this video. So we have a little kind of fun contest that we do called the What's in the Box contest. And you can see that box down there. And we're going to start that here in this video. In fact, I will bring that up here so you can see that. We're going to start that here at the end of this video. And I will show you how that works here at the end of this video. So make sure to watch all the way to the end. I'm going to be giving away $1,000 here in total to our viewers. So make sure to watch all the way to the end. If you've been watching my channel for a long time, you've seen this before. So make sure to watch all the way to the end and I'll show you how that works. Also, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel. Make sure to click the bell icon after you subscribe so you don't miss out on our new videos. And I'll keep you up to date here with everything going on here in our country on a daily basis. Also, we're going to be giving away money here in November and December as well here. We got Thanksgiving holidays coming up. We got Christmas, Kwanzaa, and Hanukkah, all these good things here. It's just kind of our way of giving back here to our viewers here going forward here. So we got all these good things coming up here and just kind of our way of giving back here. So we're going to be giving away some cash giveaways for our viewers here. So, and when we do this, we're going to show who the winners are directly on the screen for all of these. We've given away over $10,000 here. Well over this. I can't even count throughout the months and years here on our YouTube channel. So make sure to stay tuned here and we'll go over the first clue of what's in this box. If you can guess what's in that box correctly, you could win money directly from us. Also, I want to go over some states giving away money as well through the state stimulus check programs and tax rebate programs and inflation relief programs as well. If you've been watching my channel, you know that there's at least 33 states sending out stimulus checks, some of them going out right now. That's correct, and I'll show you it here directly on the screen. This is part of my mission here on this channel, is to help out as many people with information as well and let you guys know about this. So take a look here. Okay, first up, stimulus payments 2022. Who will receive this $487 check this week, known as Hero Pay? Hero Pay. Let me know if you received this one. We have several different checks like this to go over here in this video. So there's multiple different checks like this. So make sure to watch all the way to the end. And don't forget to hit the like button for us as well. Yeah, so Minnesota will immediately send out direct payments of $487 checks to eligible frontline workers for their contribution to the fight against the pandemic. According to the state of Minnesota, the first payments will be rolled out on Wednesday, October 5th. But, so these went out like a few weeks ago, but they take 5 to 10 business days to go out. So they're probably hitting about now. Despite Minnesota estimating that their budget would be distributed to 667,000 workers, as many as 1,025,000 citizens are now eligible for the Hero Pay, which means they would receive about $487, so about just under $500. The numbers are stunning to the amount of people that applied. Quote, this just goes to show you how many people stepped up to keep our state running and safe during the pandemic. Hopefully we get more states to do programs like this. I mean, honestly, there's a lot of states that are doing programs like this if you've been watching my channel. While others stayed at home safe, the Minnesotans kept showing up to make sure that we and our families were safe, fed, and protected. They were sent out to workers from industries such as healthcare, long-term care, courts, education, and food services. In the event you opted for direct deposit, you will receive your check within 7 to 10 business days, which means they should be arriving about now. Because again, these are 7 to 10 business days since then. If you opted for a prepaid debit card, you will get your check within 3 to 4 weeks via the mail. So let me know in the comments section if you have gotten these or when and if you get these, if you've gotten them yet. The second batch of California inflation relief checks started going out here this week as well. These are going out to 23 million Californians. So the last state was 1 million people. These checks are going out to 23 million people, which is why it's just kind of such big news here. Since October 7th, the state has been issuing the middle class tax refund, also known as the Golden State stimulus checks, into the millions of California's bank accounts via direct deposit. Starting Monday, October 24th, Californians will begin putting debit cards in the mail. So if you're waiting on a debit card, those are in the mail, but once they're in the mail, they kind of take a little bit of time. The first batch of debit cards is being sent to people who previously received the Golden State stimulus checks from last year. So now they're sending out to those people who they have the info from for this next payment for this year's check, and whose last names start with letters A through E. So they're going in alphabetical order with last names. Everybody in that group should have their payment mailed to them by November 5th. The Franchise Tax Board says if you're waiting on a debit card or paper check, make sure you don't throw it away. Make sure you're checking your mail and you don't think it's a solicitation. Just check your mail just to make sure it's not junk mail and don't throw it away. California is sending out the debit card in partnership with the Money Network. They say they'll look like the photo below, which looks like this. So Money Network, California Middle Class Tax Refund, and it has a Visa debit card there. Not a bill or advertisement. Important information about your middle class tax refund. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And it's going to come on a Visa debit card. So be aware, don't throw it away, don't think it's a junk mail. And share this video with anybody you know so that they don't, because the IRS, on the federal level for stimulus checks sent these out to some people, and believe it or not, a lot of people threw it away because they just thought it was junk mail and didn't even open them. Yeah, so sometimes people just go through the mail like, oh, junk mail, junk mail, junk mail, and they just throw away a bunch of stuff. So there's your warning, right? Yeah. So far, only Californians who received a Golden State stimulus check in 2021 have gotten their middle class refund. Thanks to a higher income limit, many more people qualified this round of payments, but they just haven't been sent out yet. So they're in the process of still sending out a lot of checks. Okay. The next round of direct deposits will start to be issued on Friday, October 28th as well. The next round of debit cards, whose last names begin with F through M, starts on November 6th. November 6th. The payments range in size from $200 to $1,050. For the most part, it's $350 per person, up to $1,050. So as long as you make below $75,000 per person, it's $350 per person, which is so for example, mom $350, dad $350, and if you have any children, up to $1,050 for the basic general consensus here. So up to 300, up to 1,050 is the quick and skinny of it. So yeah, let me know in the comment section. I've already seen a lot of people say they got them. I've already seen a lot of people say they're still waiting on them. Next up, exact dates Americans must apply for Anchor direct relief payments worth up to $1,500. $1,500 thanks to $2 billion pot. Are you eligible? So up to $1,500 thanks to a $2 billion pot. Here's the details on this program. Thousands of homeowners and renters have weeks to apply for a direct payment worth up to $1,500. The relief program known as Anchor program is being funded from a $2 billion pot and was approved by lawmakers in New Jersey earlier this year. Yeah. Homeowners and renters in New Jersey have weeks remaining to apply for a relief payment worth up to $1,500. Anchor, which stands for Affordable New Jersey Communities for Homeowners and Renters, aims to provide residents with aid in the form of tax rebate checks. Remember, tax rebates most of the time just really means checks. Around 870,000 homeowners that earn less than $150,000 can pocket a $1,500 check, according to Central Jersey. Homeowners that earn between $150,000 and $250,000 will get a $1,000 check. Meanwhile, 900,000 renters that earn up to $150,000 will pocket a $450 check. Americans are eligible, or New Jerseyans are eligible for relief if they owned a home or rented a property on October 1st, 2019. Homeowners can apply for the relief online, on the phone, or by submitting a paper application electronically. And you must submit your application by December 30th. Payments are expected to be issued in May and will be sent via direct deposit or paper check. So if you haven't applied for that yet and you're eligible, please Google that and apply. Don't miss out. Share this video with anybody. There's a share button down below where you can copy the link and share it with anybody eligible, or these other programs here as well. Officials in Rhode Island are sending automatic rebate checks to about 115,000 taxpayers. Parents who filed their taxes before August 31st should get a child tax credit in October in Rhode Island. Yeah. I think that was, what was that? Was that $250 per person or $750 per person? Yeah, 200. Yeah. I remembered it correctly. $250 per child for a maximum of 3 kids, up to $750. So pretty decent memory there. Hundreds of families in Sonoma County, California, will receive $500 payments for 24 months as part of a guaranteed income program in Sonoma County, California. Residents have until October 31st to apply in Sonoma County, California. And millions of New Yorkers will receive $270 this month as well, as part of a $475 million relief package in New York. Governor Kathy Hochul said this program will put money back in the pockets of nearly 2 million New Yorkers' families struggling to make ends meet in the face of the pandemic and other rising costs. This is for people from New York for the Empire State Child Tax Credit or the Earned Income Tax Credit for New York, which is also known as the Adult Tax Credit for low-income adults. So remember, each state can have a child tax credit or an adult tax credit on the state level. So New York is sending out, it looks like, an additional amount of money here. Eligible New Yorkers will receive, on average, an extra $270. Could be more, could be less. This is on average there. So almost 2 million people will receive their checks by October 31st. So kind of an extra stimulus check relief bonus there. So let me know if you received that. Almost 2 million people there. Okay, next up, we're going to do our October What's in the Box contest here. It's completely free, costs nothing. The way it works here is we got this box here. We'll have to lock it here just so it doesn't open by accident. But here's the box. If you've seen it before, it's the same box as previously. Inside this box is an item or items. And if you can guess what's in the box correctly, you may win money directly from me. Okay. The reason for this is because if you guess correctly, there almost always is more than one or several people that guess correctly. So the way it works here is I'm going to give you clues. I'm going to give you 10 clues to what's in this box. Okay. And you should probably write down the clues. It's the best way to guess or to know what's in the box. Okay, I'm going to give you 10 clues. And if you can guess what's in this box, then if you guess correctly, then you'll be entered into the pool of people, to the list of people, the group of people who have guessed correctly. And from there, we will have a random comment generator pick from the group of people to win $100 for 10 people for a total of $1,000 to win $1,000 total, okay, for our Halloween October giveaway here. We're going to give away $1,000. We're also going to give away more money in November and more money for the holidays in December. Okay, so we're going to be giving away thousands of dollars here to some of our viewers here. Okay, so all you got to do to guess is just listen to the clues. You can start guessing here on this video. We've had some people guess correctly here in the past on video number 1, actually, in the past. Some people are really lucky or good like that. And, you know, God bless you. May the force be with you, or whatever, you know. So yeah, if you think you can do it, by all means. Let me get my iPad here. Okay, so leave a comment down below. You can guess as many times as you like, and that's it. So just leave a comment down below in the comment section down below, and just put what your guess is, and that's it. Now make sure you're subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the like button, and that's it, okay? So the first clue, clue number 1, what is in this box, was from a recent movie series. What is in this box was from a recent movie series. So again, to make your guess, just leave a comment down below. It's completely free to do so. That's it. That's all you got to do. Leave a comment. You can comment right now. Take a guess. That's all you got to do. Okay? You can guess as many times as you like. I hope I've made that as clear as possible. So, yeah, let me know your thoughts. Going forward, there'll probably be a clue in every video. Sometimes I miss a video. Sometimes, you know, there's not a clue in every video, but most videos will have a clue going forward here. Up to 10 videos, and we'll probably have this finished before the end of the month. Okay, and then I will open the box, reveal what's in the box, and also show who the winners are right on the screen. Okay. So yeah, so stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll keep you up to date here. You can click here to watch my newest video next, and you can click here to see my newest video on a $1,400 federal stimulus check for Social Security and for low-income Americans. So click on one of those videos next. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.